Data insights left to interpretation lack impact without sharp visualization and storytelling translation skills. Key performance indicators communicate little without context illustrating their significance and positioning audiences for action. Generic dashboarding hampers alignment, unable to personalize data delivery for leadership, technical and operations professionals simultaneously. Master advanced data communications through this intensive course made for industry. Delivering skills visualizing data catered to each audience, woven into memorable stories immediately highlighting significance. Attendees curate graphical content with resonance and continuity tailored for every function critical to oil and gas business rhythms and outlets. Equipped data translators guide organizations to rally around flagged performance through unified data comprehension regardless of backgrounds. They elicit ongoing participation, discussing statuses and contributing intelligence to decision loops through sustained community built on data transparency. Register today to amplify your impact, contextualizing oil and gas data into intuitive formats, memorable narratives and tailored touchpoints, fostering alignment.